CellGlow is an easy-to-use AOPI viability assay that provides simple staining for fluorescent cell counting. In this video, we'll show you how easy it is to use CellGlow for cell viability counts. Each CellGlow assay comes with a convenient, reusable rack to hold the tubes in place. Each of the wells is individually sealed and precision-coated with surface-stabilized acridine orange and propydium iodide fluorescent stains. The dyes are formulated for room temperature storage, so you can keep CellGlow directly beside your cell counter on the lab bench, ready to use at any time. No fridge storage is required. To use CellGlow, mix your cells and draw up 20 microliters of cell suspension. In one motion, use the pipette tip to pierce the seal on one of the CellGlow wells and dispense your sample. Mix the sample 2 to 3 times, and the stabilized fluorophores in the well will immediately bind to your cells. There's no incubation time necessary. Immediately after mixing, aspirate 10 microliters of cell suspension from the well and load onto your automated cell counter to analyze the sample. It's important to note that for the CellGlow viability assay, a dilution factor of 1 should be used for undiluted samples. When using liquid-based DeNovix cell drop viability assays on the cell drop automated cell counter, the dilution factor default is 2, as assay preparation uses a 1-to-1 volume of dye and cell suspension. So be sure to check your settings before running the count. When you're finished with a column, the strip can be torn away for easy disposal. CellGlow is designed to streamline fluorescent counting with one-step staining. For more information or to order, visit denovix.com/cellglow.